The details I'm about to share with you guys in this video are based on leaks and rumors, so please take them with a pinch of salt. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So according to the leaks, the Xiaomi Redmi Turbo 6 Max is expected to be powered by a much more larger battery than the Redmi Turbo 5 Max. We all know that the Redmi Turbo 5 Max is powered by a massive 9,000 mAh cell, so the Turbo 6 Max is expected to have a much more bigger battery. Some sources are even claiming that the battery capacity of the Turbo 6 Max is 12,000 mAh, which is insane. Of course, it's going to utilize the silicon carbon battery tech because this device isn't going to be designed to be a tank. It's still going to be a device that you could, be able to use with one hand. Additional leaks revealed that the device would have a 7-inch 2K panel, which is also insane. And on the performance side, the Turbo 6 Max is expected to feature a 3nm Dimensity 900 series chip. So it might be the same chip as the Redmi Turbo 5 Max, or it might be the Dimensity 9500 chipset. Additional features includes an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner, a metal frame, that's its build quality, and the device is said to be IP68 or even IP69 water resistance. If it is IP69 rated, it means the device wouldn't just be waterproof, it's also going to be resistant to high pressure water jets. So the device is also expected to launch either in late 2026 or in early 2027. Currently, that's all the leaked details about the upcoming Redmi Turbo 6 Max. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.